Creating groups can be useful for a variety of reasons. To do so, find the Course Administration block, click Users, then Groups. Scroll down to find the Create Groups button. Give the group a name and a description if you'd like. There's other settings here, but you can leave them be and just hit Save Changes. Here, click the group name that you want to add members to. Then click the Add/Remove Users button. On this page, click the name of a student you want to add to your group, then click Add. To add multiple students at a time, hold the Control key or Command on Mac and click each student you want to put in the group. If they're all in a row, just hold Shift, click the first student you want, and then the last student you want. The process of removal is similar. Just click the student to be removed on the left, then click the Remove button. When you're finished making the group, click the Back to Groups button. If you're putting students into even groups for group work, you'll most likely want to create more groups to add the rest of your students, so be sure to do that. To quickly divvy up a course into even groups, click the Auto Create Groups button. In the Naming Scheme section, you'll see it says Groups with an @ symbol. The @ symbol will cycle through the alphabet, creating Group A, Group B, and so on. If you'd rather they be numbered, change the @ symbol to the £sign. You have the option of making groups based on the number of total groups you need or the amount of people you want in each group. Make your selection, then type the number of groups or members you want in the box below. Scroll down to Group Members and select the role you want to pick from. Most likely, you will be selecting Student. The next option lets you pull members from another group only. You also can choose how you want the members to be selected, whether that's randomly or perhaps alphabetically. Next, scroll down and expand the Grouping section. We're most likely going to want to put these auto groups into a group of their own. Give this grouping a name that describes it well. You'll want this grouping to make it easier if you assign group work because you'll simply be able to select that grouping name within the assignment to assign members to a group. When you're finished, click Submit to save it. We can edit our groups at any time by clicking a group name and then clicking Edit Group Settings. We can also edit groupings by expanding this selection here and click Groupings. And that's all you need to know about making groups in Moodle. If you need further assistance, please contact the Office of Online and Distance Learning. Thanks for watching.